The year is 2236, and space exploration has reached a level humanity once only dreamed of. Astronauts are now the most respected individuals in the solar system. Yet, despite all this technological progress, no clear evidence of extraterrestrial life had ever been found, at least, not until 2 years ago. That was when the Global Space Agency detected a signal unlike anything ever recorded. It was coming from a distant galaxy, light years away and still drifting further into the unknown. To uncover its origin, humanity made a bold decision to build a spacecraft capable of surpassing the speed of light. A one-of-a-kind vessel, designed for a mission no one had ever attempted before. Today, that spacecraft is finally ready. Its name is Hope. But there's one critical limitation. The ship can only reach its maximum speed if it is controlled manually by a human pilot. No artificial intelligence, no automation, only human instinct and precision. That's why 4 astronauts have been selected for this mission. A mission that may become the most important journey in human history and possibly a one-way trip. As they take their seats, the engines begin to hum. With a powerful surge, Hope lifts off from the surface of Earth. The sky is filled with clouds, but only for a moment. Within seconds, they break through into the endless blue above, and soon after, they leave the atmosphere behind entirely. Now they face their first challenge: orbital debris. Even in this era, thousands of fragments still circle the Earth at deadly speeds. Everything seems under control, until suddenly, a massive piece of metal appears directly in their path. The pilot reacts instantly, making a sharp maneuver. For a brief moment, silence fills the cockpit and then relief. They made it. From here on, Hope is alone. Their first destination, the Moon, passes quickly beneath them. Then Mars appears, the red planet home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. But there's no time to admire the view. The asteroid belt lies ahead. Millions of rocks drift through space, forming a chaotic field of potential destruction. The ship moves with precision, weaving through the obstacles, but even a second of distraction could be fatal. A near collision sends a wave of tension through the crew, but once again, they survive. Soon, Jupiter comes into view, a massive giant with storms larger than entire planets. Then Saturn, with its breathtaking rings stretching across unimaginable distances. A comet flashes past them, missing the ship by mere meters. Hope accelerates even further, approaching the speed of light. Pluto fades behind them, and the Kuiper belt surrounds them with icy remnants of the early solar system. A small impact shakes the ship, forcing the crew to slow down briefly and assess the damage. And then they reach the final boundary of the solar system, the Oort cloud. Beyond this point, everything changes. The crew prepares for the ship's most advanced capability, the jump drive. A brief moment of silence, and then in an instant they are gone. The sun is now just another distant star. Ahead lies Proxima Centauri along with the Alpha Centauri system, but they don't stop. Each jump takes them further, deeper into the unknown. Eventually, they pause, just in time to witness something extraordinary. A dying star collapses in a brilliant explosion, a supernova giving birth to a black hole. Had they arrived seconds earlier, there would have been no escape. Another jump carries them beyond the Milky Way, toward the Andromeda Galaxy. From a safe distance, they witness the formation of a galaxy cluster. Hundreds of galaxies merging, evolving, creating something entirely new. And yet the signal is still ahead, stronger now, calling them forward. They prepare for one final jump. No one knows what awaits them. Darkness surrounds the ship. Silence stretches endlessly. It feels like nothingness until suddenly a wave of light engulfs them. The crew stares in disbelief. Before them stands something impossible, a vast wall of light, shifting and dancing in shades of red and gold. Unlike anything ever seen before. The signal is at its strongest here, but it's still moving, still drifting further away. And then it hits them. All this time, They weren't chasing something within the universe. They were chasing its edge. Now there's only one option left. One final jump. Beyond space, beyond time. Perhaps beyond the universe itself.
Thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to create more content like this. Also, if you want to be notified right away whenever I upload a new video, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.